Here is a short guide how to use iFakeTextMessage. You open the web page, then you simply write your name, and then you start text messaging, fake text messaging. First, write a question. And choose the color of your bubble. I will leave it gray. Then enter the answer. And choose another color. Then go on with next questions. When you finish the dialog, you simply click on Create Image, wait, and when the image is created, here, simply download the image and save it on your computer. I will just name it iFake Dialog. That's it. Bye.